Like, if people want to reach out to, like, David, he's got a huge audience.
Yeah, absolutely.
And there's people downstairs who wanted to work for him and all that stuff.
Yeah.
What's the best way to reach the people he's trying to reach? Or you guys?
Yeah, honestly, to the gram, man. Slide into the DMs.
Slide into the DMs. Boy, let me in the coat check room so I can do a little intro for you guys. Yep. Pan out. Vlog. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Hey, it's David again. Guys, it's you guys again. Whoa, what are these kicks?
These are Dave's. Just throw these on before we go up, man.
Oh shoot, I didn't know what was happening.
Yeah.
So, do you want to do a little thing for my vlog?
Yeah, dude. What's up?
What I did for my audience was I was like, hey guys, I got in by sneaking into the coat check room. But it's free. Or is it? I don't know, the person just let me in.
I don't think it is, to be honest. What's up, Mike? What's up, Mike? What's up? This is Mike with Sports One. We're cruising through real quick. My CEO, David Meltzer, is going to jump on stage, do a podcast live. We're going to have some fun. Alright, cool. But it is, so at David Meltzer's where you can find him.
Okay.
Go on there real quick, shoot a quick DM. Dave goes through them daily. We got some of our media team going through them as well, and do we make it happen? Just how can we be of service?
Maybe so I can get to the vlog. How much was it to get in there?
I think it was like minimum $100, I think.
Okay, I just saved $100 by switching to Geico. Alright, thanks bro, appreciate it.